What up, YouTube, and welcome back to another installment of Asked To by Brittany D. And of course, I am Brittany D, and today I'm back with another lock tutorial. But before we start this lock tutorial, let's switch subjects and talk about Dossier. If you're not familiar with Dossier, it is a vegan and cruelty-free perfume company based out of France. Now, what's really dope about Dossier is all of their scents are inspired by luxury perfumes and colognes, but at a price that won't break the bank. And the best part of all, they got rid of their samples to help reduce plastic waste. But let's talk about their scents. For example, this scent, Grenade White Flowers, is inspired by Viktor and Rolf's Flower Bomb perfume. And I was really excited to try this one out because I am familiar with the original Flower Bomb perfume. A bottle of Flower Bomb will cost you between $160 to $180 in the stores. Dossier perfumes have the exact same scent for only $29. You really can't beat that. But the prices of the Dossier scents ranges from $29 to $59. So you're really saving yourself a buck and you're getting the exact same high-end quality. They also offer great bulk deals up to 25% off plus free shipping when you order 3 bottles or more. And that's a great deal, especially for me because I am new to the perfume game. So I'm trying to become an adult and wear more perfume without breaking my pockets. So yeah, Dossier is going to be my go-to company. So if you're like me and you want to try some new perfumes or you want to get into the cologne game, go ahead and check out Dossier. For a limited time only, I have a code with them. Use my code as told by Brittany to receive 10% off your order. Like I said, it's only for a limited time, so get it while the getting's good. And if you don't like the scent, you could return them within 30 days for free. But thank you, Dossier, for reaching out to me. I look forward to trying your other scents. And let's jump back to this tutorial, shall we? Alright, so I'm back at the shop and I'm about to get my wig snatch. And if you look in the mirror, you see that my husband no longer have locks, but we're going to discuss that in a later video, just not right now. Trust me, we're going to talk about it, okay? We're going to talk about it. But my girl Coco is about to give me a fresh retwist and she's going to style my locks into a palm tree. And I was super excited about it until I actually got it done and realized how tight this style was. The back of this style was so tight that I'm not proud to say, but I had to take it out the same day, okay? So you guys are about to witness my first style fail, but it wasn't a fail because it was bomb, but it was a fail because I had to take it out. But I did kind of fix it, but it wasn't the same oomph, which you guys gonna see. But yeah. Anywho, so my girl Coco is retwisting my hair and it's been 8 months since she did my hair. You guys know I have retwisted my hair in between that time and I'm semi freeform, so for the last 3 months my hair has been doing its own thing. So you know, when it's time to get a retwist, you guys, it's always different when somebody else is retwisting your hair because like they don't feel what you feel, so it's like so you can imagine after 3 months of free forming how it may feel to get my hair retwisted right now. It's not the best experience right now, especially because I'm tender-headed, you know, but at least I'm staying still and I'm not complaining, so boom. But my girl is going to finish retwisting my hair and then we're going to move on to styling. And you guys, I did do the color myself. My hair is inspired by my girl's Coco. If you look in the mirror, you can see her rainbow locks. They are so beautiful in person. I had to copy. If you guys are interested, I have a color tutorial listed on my YouTube channel. All you have to do is click the description below and boom. But we're going to begin this style. So because I am not doing my own hair, you guys know I do not like to explain what's going on because, you know, I'm seeing what you're seeing, so you know. So we will be hitting that fast forward button, but yes, we're going to begin this palm tree style. And please excuse my facial expressions. As I mentioned before, I am tender-headed and I am a Libra, so that means I am not good at hiding my facial expressions. So if I am in pain, you will see pain. It will be written all over my face. Now that she has collected all of my locks, she's going to take a rubber band and put them in a ponytail. And these locks will be 2 years old on August 4th. So I will have a 2-year lock anniversary video up. My babies turned 2 years old. Well, at least the ones on the top. You guys know I got 2 different lock journeys in my head. Now this part of the style was fine. It wasn't too tight. She did ask me. It wasn't until we started working on them short ones did it start feeling a little spicy in the room. But she's going to continue adding some of those shorter locks to the palm tree, securing them with some bobby pins. Alright, so now we're working on the back of my head. So I wish I would have turned myself around so you guys could see what's going on, but unfortunately I did not. But I do have pictures and everything that I will insert at the end of the video. But what she did was take my locks and simply barrel rolled them into an S. It was super dope. It really was cute. It was super dope. But I just wish that my locks in the back were about an inch or 4 longer, because them Jones was so tight. Oh my god, talk about you could hear your heart crying out for me through my scalp, honey. Oh, y'all don't know. You can see in my face, Lord Jesus. I'm like, let's get this shit over with. And if your style is too tight, please let your stylist know, okay? Do not be like me. Don't do this. So right now she's going to add some mousse, and she did sit me under the dryer, which I did forget to record, my bad. But she did do an amazing job. The style came out super dope. It really did. But just for me and my tender-headedness, I couldn't see it through, my boy. I couldn't see it through. Yeah, I know I gotta keep it real with y'all. I have to. But my girl Coco is an amazing loctician. I trusted her to start my lock journey, and she is the only one I will ever allow to style my hair. Her and Bae, because Bae did say he wanted to learn how to retwist my hair. But besides that, only Coco's allowed. So make sure you guys are following her on Instagram and everything. I will have all her information listed below if you guys are interested in any appointments, because she really is bomb. As you can see, she does her thing. She does this. I was just the weakest link, okay? I was just the weakest link that day, and so it's not her fault, okay? But she did her thing. It was clean, it really was, but I was in pain. And as soon as I got up from that chair and got into my car, I took that S down. It's not my proudest moment, but I did what I had to do, okay? Because as they say, not all heroes wear capes. I'm not sure what this really had to do with that, but yeah. So this is the next morning. It's actually my husband's birthday, July 22nd. Woo woo. I got my 2 scarves on, and I'm going to reveal my palm tree. So remember, I took that S out. So all I did was take a few bobby pins and just pin up the back, and it was cute. You know, it wasn't cocoa cute, but it was cute. You know, I could wear it out and sleep on it, and I wasn't in pain, so that's all that mattered to me. But you guys know I gotta dress up my locks. I got my lock jewelry here. Of course, I'll have it listed below if anyone is interested. But you guys see, you see her, and I'm not naked. I had to prove that real quick. But you guys see me. I am here. She's looking good. My locks are looking good. It was my baby's birthday, so I had to look good for him. You guys know how that is. But last minute, I did decide to add a little bit more oomph. So I did take this gold string that I got from my local beauty supply store, and I'm just going to wrap that around my palm tree. Just give it a little bit more personality. You guys know I'm here for all the personality. And of course, I have my assistant here helping me out. Be on the lookout for my next video because we're going to explain why my husband cut off his locks, and we're going to do something really cool with them. So be subscribed and make sure that your notification bell is turned on. But you guys, this is pretty much it for me. I hope you guys did enjoy this tutorial. It was fun. It was something different. I'm here for the honest, raw reaction tutorials, okay? Y'all liking this? I'm digging them. But as always, please remember to like, comment, and subscribe. Follow me on Instagram at AsTold by Brittany D. And you see me spraying my Dossier perfume. Remember to use my code AsTold by Brittany at checkout to receive 10% off your order. But yeah, that's pretty much it for me. Until next time, until we meet again, until we are back watching another crazy video of mine. Bye-bye.